Have you ever wondered what keeps a colossal 100,000-ton aircraft carrier securely anchored in port? It's not just any rope or chain. It's a masterpiece of engineering, a massive mooring chain, and today, we're going deep inside the incredible factory where these steel titans are born. You won't believe how it all starts. It begins with this, truck after truck, piled high with what looks like ordinary scrap metal, old car parts, discarded construction beams, a mountain of rusty, forgotten steel. It seems impossible that this humble beginning could lead to something that holds a nation's most powerful warships. But this is where the magic of metallurgy begins. This scrap isn't just waste. It's the raw ingredient, carefully selected and sorted for its specific chemical properties. The journey from junk to naval hardware starts in the heart of the factory, with a deafening roar and a blinding light. The scrap is loaded into a gigantic electric arc furnace. Inside, temperatures soar to over 1,600 degrees Celsius, hotter than volcanic lava. The intense heat melts the steel, purging it of impurities. It's a violent, beautiful process, a cauldron of liquid fire where the old is burned away to create something new and pure. This isn't just melting, it's a precise recipe. Alloying elements like manganese and molybdenum are added to the molten steel, transforming it into a unique high-strength and corrosion-resistant formula, tailor-made for the harsh marine environment. Once the molten steel reaches the perfect composition, it's poured into molds, forming massive steel bars called billets. These billets, each weighing several tons, glow with a fierce orange heat, but they are still a long way from becoming a chain. The real artistry is about to begin. These billets are then reheated until they are malleable and fed into a colossal rolling mill. Under immense pressure, they are stretched and shaped into long round steel rods, the fundamental building blocks of our chain links. The precision here is critical. The diameter of this rod will determine the final strength of the chain. Now, we witness a process that feels like something out of a myth. A machine, with the power of a giant, takes the heated steel rod and bends it into a perfect U-shape. Then, another piece of the rod is threaded through it, and its ends are bent together, forming the next link. But these links aren't closed yet. This is where an amazing technique called flash butt welding comes in. The two ends of the link are brought together, and a massive electrical current is passed through them. The point of contact explodes in a shower of sparks, reaching a temperature that fuses the steel at a molecular level. It's not just stuck together. The two ends become one single, unbroken piece of metal. This weld is just as strong as the rest of the link. But how do you make a continuous chain? The process is a stunning mechanical ballet. As one link is welded shut, the next open link is already being threaded through it. Bend, thread, weld, bend, thread, weld. The rhythm is hypnotic as the chain grows longer and longer, link by powerful link. Each one is a testament to the power and precision of modern manufacturing. After welding, the links are far from finished. They undergo another heat treatment process called quenching and tempering. The entire chain is heated up again and then rapidly cooled in a liquid bath. This process realigns the steel's crystal structure, dramatically increasing its hardness and tensile strength while also giving it the toughness to withstand sudden shocks without shattering. Next up is the proof load test. Every single inch of this chain is put under extreme tension, a force far greater than it will ever experience in its service life. A machine pulls on the chain with hundreds of tons of force. This is the ultimate quality control. Any microscopic flaw, any weakness in a weld, would be revealed under this immense strain. If a link fails, the entire section is rejected. There is no room for error when a multi-billion-dollar warship is on the line. After surviving this brutal test, the chain is meticulously inspected, measured, and calibrated to ensure every link meets exact military specifications. Finally, to protect it from the relentless corrosion of salt water, the chain is given its final armor galvanization. The entire chain, now hundreds of meters long and weighing hundreds of tons, is dipped into a massive vat of molten zinc. This zinc coating provides a sacrificial barrier, protecting the steel underneath for decades. The finished product is a sight to behold. A gleaming, massive chain, with each link thicker than a person's arm. It's hard to believe it all started as a pile of scrap metal. The final stage is logistics. These colossal chains are carefully loaded onto specialized transport, ready to be delivered to naval shipyards around the world. When you see a warship in port, tethered by these dark, heavy chains, you'll know the incredible story behind them. It's a story of transformation, of fire and force, of turning discarded metal into an unbreakable bond of strength and security. It's a reminder that sometimes, the most important components are the ones we barely notice, forged in fire and built to last. Thanks so much for joining us on this incredible factory tour. If you found this as amazing as I did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of amazing engineering. See you next time.